So today we are going to do the eye rolling exercise as a practice. So this is for once you've been spending a little bit too much time on the computer or writing an exam or being focused on one specific thing. So just sit comfortably, and you're going to start with your eyes are open, and you're going to look to the left, as far to the left as you can, stretching those muscles, and back to the center. Now look to the right, as far as you can, and back to the center. Now look up, back to the center. Look down over your nose, and back to the center. Now stare as far as you can to the furthest point, and back to the center. Now we're going to roll our eyes. So you're going to go all the way one way. So choose to go clockwise and work your eyes all the way around a few times. And now we're going to go the other way. And now close your eyes, and you would first of all rub your hands together. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, 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 creating as much heat as you can in the palms of your hands. And now close your eyes, and then place your palms on your eyes and feel the warmth. It's like a little hot pack on your eyes, just releasing any tension. And if you want to, you can do that again. So let's rub, creating as much friction and energy in your hands. And taking the palms of your hands and placing them on your eyes. And that's it. So you can do that after an exam. You can do that just before you go to bed. Anytime. Enjoy.